What's up, everyone? It's your boy Monkey from Monkey's Treehouse here, back again with another video from our trucking series. We are focusing on the CDL Class A road test prep, and today we're going to be doing our front end inspection. Now, as we talked about in the last video, this is just one of the areas of inspection they could make you do on the road test. Not necessarily are you definitely going to have to do it, but most likely you will be starting with the front end inspection after completing your brake test and or in-cab inspection. For today's lesson, we'll be using a stock 2005 International 8600 day cab tractor. This is a very common tractor with a lot of common options that you'll see across multiple makes, thus letting this lesson be easily transferred to your particular make and model tractor. At the start of the inspection, you will come to the front end of the vehicle and the inspector will tell you to give him a front end inspection. Now, you may do this in whatever order you like. However, I find the method of starting at the top and working your way to the bottom is the most effective, ensuring you do not miss any components. Take your time to the inspection, speak slowly and clearly so the inspector can understand you, and you're going to list only the components that they are looking for, which I will do for you top to bottom right now. Clearance lights are secured, proper color amber. Wind deflector is secured to my cab. Marker lights are secured and operational, proper color amber. Right and left mirror brackets are secured to my cab. Windshield is secured, no cracks or illegal stickers. My windshield wipers are tight and firm to the glass. My registration, inspection, and heavy duty inspection are all secured and up to date. My convex mirror bracket and glass are secure, clean, and not cracked. My hood is secured. My grille is secured. Right and left signal lights are secured and operational. Right and left headlights are secured and operational. My front bumper is secured. Right and left fog lights are secured, and my license plate is secured. When you reach the bottom, take a step back and look underneath the vehicle and let the inspector know that my vehicle is not leaning to the left or the right and not leaking any fluids. Remember, stay calm and confident during your inspection, and when you're completed, simply remain there waiting for your next instruction and what area to inspect. And thus completes the front end inspection for the CDL Class A tractor trailer road test prep. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and look forward to other videos coming out for additional inspection videos and tips and tricks to help you out there during your career. Again, this is Monkey from Monkey's Treehouse. Thank you for stopping by and watching the video, and hope you all have a great day. Good luck on your road test and your career, and as always, stay safe out there. See you soon.